Alright, boys, welcome back to part 2 of our Kaiju War movie. I'm sorry, this PC kinda sucks, so it stopped recording. But we back. And I have no idea where these kids are. Okay.
Not done. Hold up.
Brah!
Wait.
As you remember inside the first episode, here's a little quick recap if anyone's gonna watch this. We were fighting some kaijus such as Godzilla, an octopus, and a Mothra. It was low-key poggers.
It's only for the little good, man.
It was for the greater good.
Low-key
And now this is looking kind of sus in two different ways. What if I just chill right here? This is my new sightlines. Alright. We are ready. Let's go! Not Zachary Plays Roblox on Discord, but... And also subscribe to Froggy Matt and Pearl Drip or whatever. And Froggy Zach.
Pearl Drip.
You changed his name to that, right?
Oh.
Yes, I did.
Exactly. So be quiet, Zach. That's why you haven't posted in 3 months.
Okay, go.
Why is it Pro Rich? Why is it Pro Drip?
I be in the hills in news.
Yeah, here we go.
Yeah. We have not seen a kaiju yet, so we are just messing around with our new equipment. And now we are dead.
Those parachutes didn't work.
And because the weight of the car.
It's bright as fuck.
Why is it so bright? What happened to this? What?
It's bright as fuck.
What happened here?
I need my big boy again. My big boy again. Alright, hop on, motherfuckers. You want? I'm about to be swaggy.
Matthew, you sit in the back.
I'm about to be swaggy and add wheels on this mug. I'm about to be swaggy and add some wheels. Yeah.
Okay, Matthew, sit.
You know I
Matthew,
be
sit
on
in the
that
front.
MOG swag life, bro. Come on, man.
Matthew, sit in the front.
I'm goated with the sauce. If everything fails,
This
I'm
one
sitting
right
in the
here.
back.
Matthew. No,
If everything
Matthew.
fails, I'm sitting in the back. Hold on, let me readjust my chair.
Matthew, this way. No, buh.
Alright, let's go!
The pins down chill. Hold up.
Man, I ain't trying to sit with you. You better back up before I shoot you. Yeah.
I'm gonna watch all that shit.
Let's go. Let's go. Come on, hurry up, let's go. I'm not smacking my toes. Bing, bing, bing.
Bro, are we even? Oh my
Bing.
gosh.
Bro, just go. Press launch.
Waiting for this man.
Why don't you just press it? Thank you. Let's go.
You got controls of the wheels. Just flip it, bro. Flip it.
Boing.
You got
It's not
control of it.
working. It's not working, G. It's
You
back on.
Why are you not using your jetpack?
Wee. Damn, bro.
Oh.
We curving, bro. We hitting them swerves. Last time on Kaiju Battle 3. I think,
Yo, what are we doing
Ah!
to this wall? What are we doing to this wall?
Hey, that's on you. Me and you now,
And
boy.
you'll remember what is he doing to the wall?
Bro, that did nothing. That hurt me, man. That hurt me more than it hurt you. This game sucks. Let's go.
It's not. Maybe you have control of the
Gas, gas, gas! I'm gonna step on the gas.
You guys literally just made it back.
Wee! Wee!
Bro, you guys still doing like that?
Wee!
You guys still doing like that?
Wee! 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 Fly off to the sunset.
Bro, you're gonna let me know you're just gonna like...
I don't know. Turn it off or something. Help me. Oh, we finally ran out. Unless I'm just gonna leave it like that. You good, bro? Why are you so sad? You're stuck in the ground. I wonder where that portal goes. If I go through that portal, where does this portal go?
Use all of it.
Yeah, we did. Well, I did. This portal made me go nowhere.
Oh, you took my chair.
Ah! Oh, he's dead. Haha. Imagine dying.
Bro, where you go? He's not even there no more.
No, bro, he dead. Shit, nah. Fuck.
Post
these kids,
it.
bro.
Bye.
I don't know. He just went. He just went somewhere. I'm just gonna reset.
Who said bye?
Yo, mama. I can't say that. I can't. Oh my god, bro. I hate myself. Ah, he's back. I'll be on the hip, man, dudes. Alright, if all that fails. If all that fails.
Can you do that and just like...
If all
do
that
it,
fails.
right?
Extra pair of tires, boy.
Oh my God.
If all that fails, extra pair of tires. Let's do this. If all that fails, extra pair of tires. We got this.
Hold up.
Alright, that chair gonna be right
Hold
there for you. And then I'm gonna put.
Bro, you gonna put a chair at the end of it?
Can I make it up there?
You're gonna put a chair at the end of it and just like sit
Ah!
there instead?
Alright, I got the sight lines again. It's a wait, but now I can't get out. No, I can. Alright, so now I have control. Wait a second. Wait a second. What if I do this? Oh, okay, never mind.
Wait.
Launch it! Launch it! This game don't. That'd be me. Got the sight lines. I'm like a kid. Like a kid staring out the window. I'm a scarecrow. Let me out. Thank you. Yeah, bro, what are you doing? Well, if our tires disappear, I got this mug. Waiting. But hopefully it works. Because if it don't, we screwed then. We ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. I fell out. I fell out. How did I fall out? I fall out. Hey, what's up, boy?
Let's go.
How did I fall out? I flew out the window. What the freak? This dude making a boxing ring. This dude making a wrestling ring, bro. What the freak? What the? Bro, what the? Roman Reigns, you good? This dude making, bro. Y'all need to see this. Y'all need to see this.
Hold on, we're coming back.
Y'all
Going
need to
back.
see this. This dude making a wrestling ring. This dude
let me
making
see.
a wrestling ring. This dude got the freaking like commentator's desk over here, bro. This dude making a wrestling ring, bro. Now I'm leaving. This dude really making. Oh, he turned on his safe thingy, bro. This dude was really making a wrestling ring, bro. Bro, this dude's funny, bro.
Making a wrestling ring. Why did he kick you out?
I know, bro. We're supposed to wrestle, bro. Come on, man.
Who's
because
watching him?
Just because I had a gun don't mean anything. Bruh. This dude making a wrestling ring, bro. That's crazy. Oh, my wheels are still here. Oh, never mind. Yo! I got the sightlines! I got the sightlines! Let's go! I got the sightlines. Yes, sir. Bro, you got this big old box with like these small wheels, bro.
Bro, be in the front, bro.
What are you doing?
I'll open it, bro.
Whoa!
What are you doing?
Whoa! Try to make something.
Oh shoot! Yeah, the sightlines, boy. The sightlines. Y'all ain't ready for this.
Oh.
Y'all ain't ready.
What the heck? What the heck are y'all making? Oh, car.
Your mama.
Yo,
Help me! Help me!
that looks like a fucking motor home. It's more like a, why are there so many fucking thrusters?
Let me out! Let me out, bro. I got a gun to shoot, bro. Let me out. Thank you. Love you. What? Bro, how you gonna see through these windows? How you gonna see through these windows?
Why does it look so dark in the room now since you like turned your camera a little bit? It looks so dark in the room for it looks so
Do
dark
it
in
look
the
lighter
room.
or darker now?
Does it look dark?
He's going with the sauce.
Actually, now give me a tour of the school, though.
What is this dude doing?
Milking myself.
Alright.
Okay, let's go. Hurry up.
Anyways, let's go. Let's go. I got the sightlines. Hold up. Actually, hold up. Hold up. Alright, we good. Let's do it. Oh. Bro, we went backwards. Let's get it.
It's so fast! Why did it go like a rocket? Why did it go like a rocket?
Whee! This is how it feels like to be in a washing machine. This is how it feels like to be in a washing machine. Bro, we spinning so fast to the point where it doesn't even look like we spinning that much.
The wheels are not even on there no more.
That mug came back like a freaking boomerang, bro. These Oreo looking
Bill came
wheels,
back.
bro.
Bro, why did it go like a rocket? Maybe just started doing
We
it.
going on a ship in our favorite rocket ship.
That was so fun. Just so many rockets at the back. And they just. Well, I only have like 4 rockets or something behind this. And then there's like 10 rockets behind.
No, no. I have 11 rockets and I put it in the back.
I'm going with the sauce. Let's go.
I need a lot of rockets.
I'm going with the
I don't have
sauce.
all rockets.
I'm about to chill right here. Let me just get my Glock 97. And boom.
Buh! Not playing around. Eh.
Who did that? It was Zach. Let's go, hurry up. I can
Okay, let's
survive this, right? Actually, hold up. Ah! Ah! Let me back on! Well, I guess I'm surviving now. See ya, losers.
Oh, imagine we make it to the end, bro.
Go, go, go.
It'll look like y'all going. It'll look like y'all gonna win. Y'all flew off like a rocket ship, bro. I don't think y'all gonna win.
I'm dying right now.
Thank God it's far.
Dang, bro, I went so far. I got 10. I got 10 gold.
Oh, you have the gun too.
No, I don't. Be quiet. Don't tell them about it.
Yeah, you do. I didn't know you had it too.
I didn't until I bought it.
Bought it.
Bought these nuts.
You bought these nuts.
Wait a second. This is gonna be so smart. Well, it's gonna be cool. Hopefully. Well, in my eyes, I'm gonna think it's cool. Cause I'm kind of retarded. Yeah. About to build a mini car on the back, and then I get to eat the gummies. I get to eat the gummies, and I'll get off, and I can drive by myself. Cause I am goated with the sauce.
Wait, can I put a chill?
You can put chair. I don't know
What
where
if I
though, but you
put
can
the
put a
chill?
chair.
I can put chill anywheres? Yay!
Yay!
Yay.
Yeah. Building my mini car. So if
it's a
everything
top
backfires,
YouTube
I click on that little piece of sticky tack, and boom, I'm off. I'm driving to the sunset. Unless I die. Yeah, I'm going to the sunset. This fort only gonna be made of signs, cause I'm built different. My little fake car.
Is any of you guys gonna go stuck? Never mind.
Alright, if anyone wanna join me, y'all can come and join me. Y'all probably don't, but I just like to think so, because I'm lonely. Alright, I'm ready. Let's do this. Oh. Ah! Let go! Press the sticky tag.
What is that? Why is there like a little room there?
I forgot my camera's like this.
You forgot the camera was turned.
I forgot. I snapped the camera's neck, bro. Bro, it's gonna be such a long
Why'd the door
freaking
hang?
video, bro. Bro, but that idea was low-key kind of smart if I was able to do it. That idea was smart, bro. But I couldn't do it.
Oh,
You can see.
sorry, I got some blind stuff. No. Got you. Help me finish this.
Finish what? Just building a protective thingy. Oh, that's what you mean. Okay. First of all, why
It's
are you doing
completely
this?
useless.
Second of all, how much doors do you have?
A lot.
Use most of my doors to protect the front.
Okay, I'm done with the doors.
I'm not done.
Okay, I'm gonna have to delete all these doors up here then. Cause that was gonna be our protection, but I
Why is there just one rocket over there?
guess my protection is not good enough.
Did you guys read? Did you guys read the sign outside?
Yeah, I can see it.
I can't, sadly.
There's
Cause I'm still adding doors up here. Doors like the hit game doors on Roblox. Oh my god. ¿Cómo estás?
Como us all.
¿Cómo
Hey, yo,
estás? Bro, why you...
sus. Sus.
If you don't get your whack head looking at... Freaking bald headed. Since I'm so cool, I'm gonna build the thing again. Let's hope this time it actually works.
Zach, do you know what this is?
These nuts!
No.
What is?
My little go-kart.
No, what is this? On top of your head.
These nuts!
Yes.
Oh, I know. Oh, that's
Alright, let's go.
Can y'all hear my video?
Can you hear these nuts? No, we can't. Can you hear the sound?
Cause my phone is right next to the laptop, and I'm watching the video right now.
What's so funny?
Nothing.
Okay. We gonna go? Like, bro, hurry up.
The doors are still up. Oh.
Gotcha him. Ah! My car's inside! Ah! I took.
Hey, here we go
I'm
again.
going
with
off
that
to the sunset.
off screen.
Bro, how do I get this thing off me?
What?
I can't drive properly. I'm just chilling my little go-kart.
Did you try doing the is it because of the
There's a freaking thruster. Or like a thingy mabobber. There's a little like jet thruster on the back of my go-kart. They can't handle the weight. So I'm just spinning around in circles. Whee! Does it go back? Yes, go back. Yes. Yes, go back. I'm driving. I got y'all. I'm coming back.
The doors are still here.
I'm
Most of
coming
them
back.
open.
This dude's still making a WWE ring.
Like all of the doors open.
I'm back, boys.
All the doors open. Because you activated it. All of them are open.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Did you use a sign to sit on it?
I'm dying right now.
Stop dying.
Did you use a sign to sit on?
Yes. Ha ha ha.
Why?
Ha 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 ha. Ew, this is a robbery! Give me all your money! Yeah, fuck you. I can get two! Oh. I was gonna say, where'd my car go? But it's stuck.
Hey yo.
Not like that, buddy.
Hey, can you come downstairs for a second? I need to show you something.
Why you always kissing dudes? Show you this gun. Show you this big metal ball in your face. Yeah! Yeah, what you gonna do now? Oh, he has a gun as well. This big metal sack.
Bro.
You missed. Now you're gonna die.
Why are you having like a little battle in here?
Grah.
Y'all having like a little battle in
We
here.
having a little gunfight right here, boy.
So, you guys are gonna be fighting while I'm
Hello.
driving?
Yeah, you already know it. Grah.
Hey, I'm gonna be driving and y'all gonna be
Yeah.
fighting.
Get up from that seat, boy. Unless you too
Up, there's
scared.
someone here.
Oh, there's someone here.
He didn't expect that. He didn't expect a
Launch
building
it!
to...
Click launch, whoever!
I
Launch it,
clicked
bro.
it already. Someone didn't
Shut up, I'm
click
not
it.
done. I'm not done.
Shoot him! Shoot
Dude,
him!
there's so much here, bro.
Not me!
No. No.
Yeah!
Yeah.
How did I fly out?
He's still in there.
Bruh, I'm in space. Bro, I got flown so hard I fell out. I flew out the car.
Bro, he's still
Bruh.
on that
He's
car.
still in it? How?
Because there's a seat outside, and he was on the seat.
Yeah, he built different, dude.
There's a seat on the thing.
I'm still falling to the void.
How do you even get over here? I don't know. But your doors are still here, though.
Bro, I'm dying, bro. I'm in a heat wave or something. Bro, look at my character.
He was on something.
Look at my character,
I don't know.
bro. What the
He was
freak is
on a-
happening
I
with
don't
me?
know what the frick
I'm
it
becoming
is.
pixelated. Bleh. I'm black. Just kidding, YouTube. I didn't mean that.
A door on my...
But it's William.
Yeah, he was on this chair right there.
Hello there. Who blocked us off?
But he didn't expect that.
Chicken fajitas.
Yeah, block it off. He's not gonna come back. Yeah, he built a barrier around
Stay
his
back.
little boxing ring.
We fight again inside here. This time, I got more weapons. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, this freaking loser, bro. Get out the seat. Get out. Ooh, you can't get me. I'm like Yoda. You can't get me. You can't even see me.
Yeah,
I'm like
we're
Yoda.
fighting in here, I guess.
Oh. There you go.
Well, let me get a weapon too, boy.
I got a gun to your head, boy. Hey, everyone turn on PvP mode. We're gonna be fighting in the car.
Oh.
All of us. Turn on
Not
PvP
now.
mode.
We have to go. Okay.
Nah, turn on PvP mode right now. We all fighting.
Now.
Oh, you stupid. Make it more crazy. Oh, never mind. I was gonna pull out the gun and shoot.
Turn into a rocket. Starts turning.
I was gonna pull out the gun and start shooting people.
What, you trying to make a helicopter and put the rocket up so we can just fly in the sky?
Bro, why is there a door here, bro? We all fight in the car?
Y'all want to put the rockets up so we can
Shoot off like an actual spaceship?
It says unable to load boat.
I'm goated with the sauce. Ah, you can't get me up here now.
Yes, I can.
Ah. Ooh, look at them. Look at that movement, bro. I'm moving so hard that your mama's dead. Yeah, I'm moving so hard.
You're moving so hard you killed my mom.
Not yours. Be quiet.
What shit? I'm moving so hard that
Are you the one placing these blocks up here? No. Wait, is that how you using the auto clicker? Yeah, just put blocks up front, bro. Yeah. What the freak? What is this?
Who's putting stuff on the back? I want to make a helicopter so it can just fly up.
That's not a helicopter. You know what a helicopter is?
Yeah.
What's a helicopter then? Exactly. You making
Can
a
you
spaceship.
open this? Can you open
Spaceship
this for a second?
uses like these like turbo pad thingy bobbers that shoot you up. Helicopters use gravity. Gravity and blades that spin and then air pushes down so they go so they fly up.
Zach, can you
They-
can you get out the seat for a second?
They fly up.
I deleted the things, but you ran
Zach, can
inside.
you okay.
I deleted it, but you ran inside. Unless you still want it.
Turn
Oh.
the chair. I'm about to just chill up here.
Now you want me to block it off again?
Yes. Hey yo.
Ah. Bro, can y'all
Or
hurry
you
up?
want to
Dang,
move?
bro. Don't make me kind of want to kill myself.
You put on top of the rocket. That's not.
Trust me, buddy. Fish fear me, alright?
I don't make the jump for it.
It's gonna work. Fish fear me, alright?
Bro trying to make a jump for it, but he failed.
Hey, shut up. I'm stuck now. Trust me, this is gonna work. There's no way this is not gonna work.
Say wolf. Oh my gosh. Bro, who wolf?
This dude's still making a WWE arena, bro. He even make the freaking ring big, bro. That's as small as my PP, bro.
That's what she said.
That's what I'm saying. When did a girl have a PP? What are you, retarded?
Wait, what? You said small as yours?
As small as
You
my
said
PP.
that
And Chai said, that's what she said. When have you ever met a girl that had a PP? Nah, bro, you tripping, bro. You tripping, bro. Start it up. Ah! See ya! Oh, shoot. See ya!
No, bro, we're not even moving.
Bro, what the freak? That looks actually kind of cool. I'm goated, bro.
We got a flying car.
I'm just moving, bro. I'm just moving, bro.
Why is the car moving like this?
I'm just moving.
Now it's stuck.
I'm just moving, bro. Whee! No, ain't gonna stop me, bro. I'm just moving. Hey, help me. Oh, it's gone. Oh, wolf left. Haha. That's not nice.
Bro moved many times, so he had to hit my
That's
arm.
not nice.
I hitting my head.
That's not nice. That's not nice, Mimat. Don't make me do it again. Alright, but hey. Don't make me pull out the big willy. Ah, ha, ha. I'm gonna shoot both of y'all. Who's gonna die first? None of y'all. Y'all was
Bro, why
scared,
you
huh?
put it right next to mine? It's not gonna work.
It's definitely gonna work. Trust me, buddy. Trust me, buddy. It's definitely gonna work. Fish, hear me.
It's not gonna work.
It's definitely gonna work. If we all put our minds together, it's
Yours is
definitely
not
gonna
even
work.
the same. You gotta move it a little bit, like. Gotta move it like a little bit more.
Man, you move it.
That's what she said. Let's go.
Ow.
Yeah!
Wow.
Let's go!
It,
Hey,
it
what's up,
doesn't
bro?
work because he doesn't have an angle.
I think it's Shy's fault. Oh! Oh, shoot! Make it! Go on, brother! I will see you in the afterlife! He made it! He's goated with the sauce. Alright, when he come back, shoot, this is our secret plan. We go shoot him. We gonna shoot him, that's our secret plan. It's definitely gonna work. Unless we just shoot him.
He died too.
Go crazy! Ah! I see you.
Oh my god, he's just sitting in the cannon. He's waiting for.
Go crazy!
He's
Ah!
just sitting in the cannon
Ah!
waiting for him.
I see you. Oh. How?
You can't even see my character. You can see your character sticking out though.
No, they can't. Be quiet. Where'd he go?
He got flung.
He's goated with the sauce.
Okay.
You got no more ammo.
I got this. Oh,
Hello.
it's stuck in my forehead. It's stuck to my forehead. I need help. Idiot. That has no ammo in it. Aha. Aha. Aha.
Listen.
Aha. Oh. Aha. Freak. Again? Maybe nuts. Me Grimlock need help. I made it out alive. Today you gonna die tonight, boy. Oh. Man, these things suck. You sleep. Alright, buddy, that's enough. You made it in! Oh shoot, delete it! Delete it!
Bro flung over the tree and got in the cannon.
Our special secret plan. Delete it again. Hop in. Get in, idiot! Gah! Oh, I shot Zach. Zach, get out the way, please.
Like,
Yeah! Yeah! Eat these nuts.
hey, yo, wait, what?
Eat these big metallic balls, bitch.
You my guy said, eat these.
Eat these nuts.
Eat these nuts.
No! Back up! I can do this all day. I'm like Captain America, boy. I can do this all day. I'm about to get demonetized. Hold up.
No. Ow.
Ah.
Flung them outside.
Goodbye. Just kidding. Maybe. What are you doing? What are you doing? Bro, you blocked it, bro. Come on, man. Oh my god, dude. Oh, he's gone.
Well, I flung him into the next area. He's on top of it now.
I got this, bro. I'm so smart. Oh. only there wasn't a rocket up here. I wonder who put that there. Let's do this!
Uh,
Are you hiding up there? I see you.
Yeah, he's hiding behind a purple tree.
Wow, I didn't know.
Oh, that sucked. That sucked as well. I did it.
Oh, you hit him.
I did
You
it.
hit him.
I did it. I'm
You hit
cool.
him.
So celebratory dance. Man, now we're just having a civil war. A civil war.
It's not even called build a boat no more. It's just
It's called kill each other. It's called try to kill your friends by building weapons. This game is basically just build whatever you want and see what happens. Bro, let me delete this. Dang.
I'm mine.
Ah ha ha!
You can't see me.
He's right there. He's goaded with the sauce. Oh,
oh, he blocked it. Someone's loading in a pot and they kind of just blocked the shot. Kind of bored of this game.
what do you mean? This game's fun. You know, like shooting
Who?
stuff. That's fun.
Can someone delete this metal door,
No.
please?
After
The
you
metal
try to kill
door?
all of us? No.
What metal door?
No, bro. I only see wooden
Oh.
doors. I also see a lot of trap doors. I mean, I see some steel doors at the front, but I don't see any steel doors anywhere.
Yeah, I don't see it too. I definitely don't.
Yeah, it's kind of crazy.
Yeah, I definitely don't see it.
I think he's seeing stuff. Not even gonna cap.
Yeah,
Also, you think I'm on drugs?
Yeah. Have you been taking your pills?
You can call the police. It's okay. I give you my address. They can show up.
Yeah, shut your mouth.
you just don't give it to me. Wait, you can give it to that guy.
Black guy? What do you mean? What do you mean? By that?
Can you launch?
Launch these nuts in your mouth. What's this big metallic ball in your mouth? I don't know. Should we?
Pause.
Launch the.
Should we, bro? Like, bro, should we? Can I shoot you like this? Will this work if I shoot you like this? Oh, that also works if you shoot yourself like that.
I have fun myself.
Launch
Up in
it.
the sky! It's a bird, it's a plane! It's the stormtrooper! Kill him! It's Buzz Lightyear, bro. Okay, note to self, that does work.
Why? I just got flung and hit a block. I hate this game so much. Why do I walk so slow? I will get there very fast, but my character walks so slow.
Cause you
Launch
wearing
it.
stormtrooper armor.
Launch it. Did launch it.
Shoot me, and I'll launch it.
Who did that? Ooh, tic-tac-toe. Oh,
Can you launch it? Launch it.
let's just launch it. He might cry. It's okay, buddy. Real men cry.
Oh my gosh, you're so laggy.
This is cancer. I can't shoot anything. Go with the sauce.
Roses.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's very blurry, but yes, sir. The new banner in Kofaz. I'm hyped, bro.
So why are we showing our face again? Why do we
Don't worry
turn-
about that.
Why are we turning on the camera?
Don't worry
Or
about
like
that. We don't talk about that. Alright, now I can make my very terrible thumbnail. Yeah, what y'all trying to play after this? This is asshole. What? It's also kind of getting boring.
yo, that's what I'm saying.
I mean, yeah, cause we're just doing the same things and everything, but it gotten kind of boring because
That's what I'm
the guy who
saying.
made the kaiju's left. So I'm gonna end the video right here. Y'all want to say anything before we end the
Oh.
video?
That's what I'm saying.
Okay. Subscribe and like the video, or Godzilla will come to your house, step on it, and then pee on it. Alright? Alright, good night.
Come to your
Have-
house,
have a good
step on
time.
it,